Here in the video, we are going to talk about CIBC Error Code 0004. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when users try to sign in from their desktop, laptop, or mobile device, but the system blocks the login attempt. According to our research, this error usually occurs when you try to log in from a location, device, or software that CIBC has flagged or blocked. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to turn off any VPN or proxy you might be using. Then try signing in again and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then disconnect your device from the internet. Then restart your device. Once it powers back on, reconnect to the internet and try again. If the error still persists, then try connecting through a different Wi-Fi network or a mobile hotspot. Once connected, check if this helps with the error. If the error still continues, then try accessing your CIBC account on a different device. Once done, check for the error again. At last, if the error still persists, then you should contact the CIBC support team for further help. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.